Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using TWOFACE and Oumo collab. I forgot the name of this one, and there's no way I can read it. I know it's something with mountain. I can tell you it has menthol or peppermint, and also it's very refreshing. I haven't used it yet, but I just applied a little bit on my face when I got the brush ready. It's the cream, very very soft cream. I load the brush from this cap that comes with it. I was looking forward to it. I've been waiting for these soaps for a while, so I went ham with them when TRC got them. So I got 2 full sets on this rub. I have another order coming, but it's mainly splashes because the other soaps that I got most of the soaps, but I only got 2 full sets. I have like 3 more soaps that don't have any splash, but anyway. And of course I managed to grab the machine splash. I love the design of this bottle, so Art Deco-y, vintage. I don't know if I would say Victorian, but it looks nice. Looks very nice. And of course, since it's Oumo, gotta use the Urkanet Assassin with a gem blade, Personna GEM blade, second use. And for the brush, I'm gonna be using Oumo handle with the ST1, not obviously plumber's tape or Teflon tape. Pretty nice. You've seen it in a while. So it's been a while. It's been a while, people. I know. Ironically, I did a video recently that I have all like freaking two weeks of growth or something like that. But unfortunately, I forgot that my microphone needs to be charged. And it died after 5 minutes after I started the video. So the rest of the video doesn't have audio, so hopefully this one works. I let the microphone charging. So I've been working like crazy. Like some of you already know, my new job really puts me to work. So I've been really putting hours. Also my schedule is pretty much that. Right now, I will be at work already. I wake up at midnight for my job. So yeah, that's why you don't see me on the lives or anything pretty much now. And if I hop in mainly on the sloppy one in the morning, but I'm driving most of the time. So it's rare for me to interact with the community, pretty much. Look at the ladder. But man, the paycheck has been great. No life, no time, but man, those paychecks are nice. Managed to fix I think I'm about to go 4 months in that job now. And I managed to pay my freaking credit card debt. In no time, my credit score jumped way back up. So that's a good thing. And then I've been spending the money on freaking tools. Not so much on shaving stuff. I did bought a few things, which you guys, if I keep making videos, eventually you guys are gonna see them. I just got this soap yesterday. So I was eagerly waiting for this. Now back to the soap. Scent-wise, to be honest, I don't get much scent. It's a refreshing, cooling sensation. You know, menthol or peppermint. You know, fresh air. Which I believe that's the intention of the soap. Which is perfect for Florida weather right now because it's freaking hot. Terrible, horrible, very horrible. I believe this is a vegan base. Not sure, to be honest. I haven't checked the information on this. I really don't have much time. This is the first time that I have a freaking full weekend off. Oh, I have a lot of stuff around the house and the cars and all that stuff that I've been delaying. No, mommy, be a good girl. Luna wants to get into the bedroom. She hears me speaking. But man, the ladder is looking great. Pretty thick. Definitely overloaded, but you know what? It's better to have more than less. But yeah, other than that, I've been great. Even managing my weight has been really hard because I don't have much time to weigh my food, and I have a good idea of what I'm eating, so I've been able to sustain the weight. So currently I'm at 247, which is the same weight I think that from last time. But of course I need to keep losing. But I'm not getting weight. That's what matters. Yeah. It's looking good. Also, the gem place was something that I picked up on my time off YouTube. So I really enjoyed them. The Personna GEM plates. I really enjoyed them. Was quite surprised by them. But man, this ladder is looking great. And the coolness of the soap is very, very refreshing, which is perfect for Florida. It's been a while since I do a video, so I'm gonna be rusty. Feels great. Feels great on the working it. I'm recording, right? Yep, I'm recording. I even forget about that. Yeah. Been working like crazy. We're driving now. Most of my deliveries are in Orlando and Tampa area, which is maybe an hour, but I do multiple trips of the day. So for example, if I run Tampa only, I do 5 runs. 5 runs, usually 13 hours. Depending on traffic and all that stuff. It's been great. Great. Easy job. Great pay. So gotta take advantage of the hour. I've been working almost every Saturday. Now they implemented the taking turns for drivers, but I've pretty much been working almost every weekend. Saturdays, at least. We don't work on Saturdays. Now the Honda, I managed to fix it. It took me a while, but I managed to fix it. I didn't have time, but I managed to fix it. I had to put freaking new all the 6 coils, spark plugs, valve cover seal, then change the injector connectors on the coil connectors because they were old and they broke. And now it's the O2 sensors. The other day threw me a code and it's running a little weird, even though when I checked with the scan to how it's running, it's not running that actually that bad. Yeah, very slick. Yeah, it's gotta be a vegan or something like that. It's very slick. Man, that water definitely felt like ice on the face. And then the Corolla, the only issue that I have with the Corolla is that it was turning the lights on and off by itself. So that Corolla has that module that it turns the lights on and off by itself when you put it on drive. So apparently that module is going bad and it's triggering the lights randomly. Now, I didn't do anything. I just one day I unplug it and plug it back again, and it haven't given me any issues, but I have to turn on the lights manually, which I don't mind, right? You might hear the cats playing around. I have some toys in the bedroom so they can play. But yeah, other than that, the cars have been great. The house has a few issues, but no biggies. No biggies. Let me see how that one. It's still very thick. Yeah, I didn't wind across on my neck, I guess. It's been a while. I don't remember how much growth I had on my previous video that you guys didn't saw. And I just cut myself. But I think it was like 2 weeks or even more. It's a shame that I lost the audio, but it happens. It happens. Yeah, I think that's good. That's good enough. was a great shave. Aside from me going savage on my neck, like I usually do anyway. I'm surprised I didn't need my mustache. Usually I destroy my mustache on the corners. And I need to cut my hair. And to complete the Oumo, I'm gonna use the Oumo towel. Gotta go all in. Yeah, that was very nice. Very nice. I still feel the cooling effect. Now time for the splash. Always shake it. And let's see. I think they are witch hazel with a I think they're witch hazel because I don't feel any burn. They probably, yeah, it's like a peppermint menthol scent. Very refreshing, perfect for Florida, like I mentioned. But still, the soap is very slick. Talking about my mustache, and I just saw a Nick Weeper or whatever. But yeah, that was a great shave. Hopefully this time I have audio and you guys can enjoy the video. I know it's been a while. I miss you guys. I missed it, but no time. But I'll try to push some videos, you know, once in a while at least, just to keep you guys updated. And you know, since I have all this stuff, I keep buying. But anyway, thank you for watching as always. Hope you have a great Memorial weekend. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next shave.